Alrighty, so now I'm ready to go. I got the machine running right now. You can see that the level is at 1%. All I do is I turn the unit on, hit the reset button, and then hit start. The system comes up. This is the stretch wrap that will ultimately wrap the unit. The belts are moving, but you can see the safety bar right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and test it for you. You see, if you do that, it just knocks it out. So then you just clip your fingers in here, pull it out, hit the reset button, hit start, and you're back up and running. Also, these are safety bars as well. This is your fill light. I'm in automatic mode for a large bale. There's small, medium, and large. There's a manual mode. This is if you're in manual mode, you can cut the stretch wrap. This is a reverse in case it jams on you for any reason. So we're going to get started right now. So this is the bag that I showed you a second ago. We're going to just take it. Plug it in, and you'll see that the dial goes up to 26-27%, and now it's continuing to compact it as it drops down. So we did get these kind of ready beforehand so we could do this quickly. So here comes bag number 2. It's at 42%, but it's still dropping. Bag number 3, I don't worry about the strings at the back side because those are always just going to roll on the back side. You see we're up at 56%. I'm going to give that a second to compress. This is bag number 4. $68, 69%. Same thing. The strings hanging out the front, pushing it in. 73, 80%, 83%, 82. Here comes bag number 6. I obviously, you hear that this had plastic beads on the inside of it. 0, 83%. That's 6 bags, 97, 99. We're almost at 100% right now with 6 bags. I had a little bit of stretch wrap previously. I just dropped that in there. I'm going to go ahead, since it's at 99%, it hasn't reached 100%, which would activate the light. I'm going to just switch this over to medium right here. You see that will automatically set it off to 100. Take the stretch wrap, pull it out, just drop it in, and the system will go ahead. Andrew, if you want to come to this side, you'll see the light. Automatically cut the unit, door is opening. Hit stop. I don't know what happened there. It didn't kick out. There we go. There we go. And that's your full, are you rolling? Here's your full roll. I will get measurements for you, but you can see that that's going to be a full roll on the large side. And the unit will kick off and you're ready to go here. Thank you very much.